What do I do?
What did you? Hi! Welcome back to Sustainable-ish Sundays. Today, Feargal.
Me.
Getting into the act. We found this jacket. Well, you found the jacket in the charity shop a couple of years ago.
Yes.
It's been sitting about the house. Beautiful leather.
It was a nice one. Wasn't my style. Sort of an older man's coat, but beautiful. It was bargain. Thought you could do something with that material, and guess what?
We did! Big challenge. 2 makes. Feargal style, my style. Tell us which one you love at the end. Remember, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you haven't already. This is our 4th episode of Sustainable-ish Sundays. If you missed the first 3, get back, give them a watch. Enjoy this. Firstly, you want to unpick all of your coat. This is the best way to do this to get the maximum amount of leather. I then chose a pattern to make my top out of. I cut the pattern and then used a rotary cutter to cut the leather. I used quilting clips, not pins, because pins will mark your leather. A couple of tips here when working with leather. You want to ensure that you use a leather needle. It is best to use a walking foot as well, but definitely not avoid the pins because that will leave marks in your leather and you don't want. I used a visible zip in the back as a closure, and once you're finished, just hem and hey presto, you have got a new top. This was made out of a man's jacket and I'm pretty happy with this.
And I made something for comfort to put my feet up on.
Start off by measuring the dimensions of the top of your box, then cut some wood to match. Use a set square so that your line is accurate and straight. Mark as many as you need and then take it and cut all of your pieces. Give it a quick sand, give it a wee lick of paint, then get some blue foam, measure up what size you need, then you'll want to cut this. Take some fabric glue, this is in a spray can, and spray it on, and then attach your blue foam onto the top. It's important to use some wadding to smooth out any roughness, and then use a staple gun to attach it to your wood. Then grab your leather and do the same. Use your staple gun to attach it, then trim all the excess leather around the top of your footstool. We attached a decorative trim with some glue gun at the end, and there you go. That's job done. Doesn't it look cozy and a great addition to living room? Thanks very much. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Sustainable-ish
Sundays!
No way easy. But thank you very much for watching. If you loved it, give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button.
Subscribe. Check out the first week's video, second week's video. And let us know in the comments what you've done, how you've got on. Maybe you have an idea for upcoming Sustainable Sundays that we could possibly do.
Hook us up, send us a wee message. We'd love to see how you're getting on.